Increasingly, we're saying that we don't think that, yes, we need to accommodate what is now an official ANC resolution, that there needs to be the possibility of expropriation without compensation. Needs to be that possibility, but that possibility doesn't require changing the Constitution. It can be done via a statute, via a legislative process, invoking the limitation clause inside of the property clause itself, and then referring to the broader limitation clause in the Bill of Rights. Now, just to unpack that a little bit,
yes.
Basically, the Section 36 of the Bill of Rights is the limitation clause, and it says that the rights within all of the rights within the Bill of Rights may not be limited, except in terms of law of general application. So they can't be limited arbitrarily. There must be legislation which provides a reason for why you might limit it. Now, we've already done that in regard to, for instance, the right to privacy, which I think is Section 14 in the Bill of Rights. And Section 14 says your home may not be searched, your possessions may not be searched, and so forth. Correctly so, because that's what happened to black people, including also to white activists like myself in the apartheid era. So in a new constitutional South Africa, that right is a basic right to privacy. But obviously, it can't be applied without any limitation. And so there's all kinds of legislation which provides for search with search warrants and so on. So we think that we can do this, and that's what we're proposing, is don't change the Bill of Rights. Because don't forget, the Bill of Rights has a higher order of importance than the rest of the Constitution. We've changed other elements of the Constitution. We've never touched the Bill of Rights. Okay, it's the foundational social compact of 1996. So we think that we can address the issue of allowing for the possibility of expropriation without compensation in certain defined cases. Abandoned buildings, labor tenants who are farming productively but don't have on farms, and they've been there for 40 years very often, but don't actually have the title deed and therefore can't raise funds and so forth for their operations. Disused land that is being held purely for speculative purposes. Those would be examples that we could introduce into the expropriation bill, which is awaiting a new round of public hearings.